lower back is like bothering me, and I feel like uneven, like my hips are like this, and like my shoulders popping a lot.
Okay.
And then my lower back, there's like a line from here to here where for years I've gotten like burning pain there.
Okay. Is it towards the spine here, or is it away?
It's right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Meet in the middle between the spine and the.
Okay.
Yeah,
and no
there.
falls or accidents or anything?
No.
Okay.
I mean, I used to do horse riding, so I fell a lot.
I'm trying to see if it's nerve or muscle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to kind of round you forward. Anything hurt here as I work through here? You are tight here. This part doesn't move. Here, I'm going to check your posture. And then like a couple steps away from me. Yeah, I mean the shoulders are forward.
Mm-hmm.
So you're feeling the unevenness.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a slight left hip shift and it's high. You know what I'm saying? It's
Yeah, like that.
But it's a normal variant to have, but it's just getting to the point where you're like, ugh. So we gotta move it around a little bit. Okay, the pelvis looks good. Because even though you have the misalignment, they're both moving.
Yeah.
You know, most of the time people lock and then they swing, and then they lock and then they swing.
Mm-hmm.
You're going side to side, you're swaying both ways. So, I'll figure it out. Are you allergic to any oils or anything?
No.
Okay. Trying.
Okay.
Woo. You got one. All right. Chin back again. Up, up. Yeah.
Chin back?
Yeah. There the rest of them are. Breathe. That's good.
What do you mean chin back? Sorry.
Look up.
Oh, look up. Okay.
Right here. Relax here. Relax. They kind of like click, click. Okay. Relax there. You okay?
Yes.
That was a little bit of a struggle, but we did it. How does it feeling?
Pretty good.
Okay, I'm going to get you up and you can test it a little bit.
Okay.
How about like that? I'm going to pull. There's nothing broken. And I do feel the fluid here.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes doing that to the joint will suck in some of the fluid. I'm going to see. So take a look at it now before I do it. Like if you look at it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, no. I've already pushed out some of the fluid. It looks smaller than this one now. So just rocking that, do you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of milking that will squish some of the fluid out. So that's what's happening, because now that ankle's smaller than that one. All I did was, so kind of I just kind of went like that and started rocking. So you gotta kind of stretch your calf.
Yeah.
Stretch the calf. Right, I'm gonna do the toes. And I'm pulling. But this goes all the way down to the ankle. So let me get it. I'm gonna see what normal feels like. I'm gonna see what the good side. There it is. Good. All right, here we go. Oh, it's stuck. It doesn't move. Okay, we're on that side of things. We're on the stuck side. Okay, bend your knee a little bit. I got you. Oh my God. I just kind of squeezed them all back in. Good. Excellent. I'm going to pull you down the table. Good. There it is. Jeez. Okay, that was just kind of round one. I'm not done by a long shot. I just want you to see how the neck feels.
Oh, later.
Well, kind of just like look right and left.
Oh, this is way easier to go that way.
Yeah. Okay.
Much
Yeah, I
better.
just wanted to see if you could.
Yeah, I can look that way now.
Yay! Yeah. It was a good adjustment. I could just tell it's been a little while since you've had an adjustment.
Yes.
I see this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. All right. Definitely need to work there. I do feel this right side.
Mm-hmm.
You know, do you mind if I'm gonna go like a little lower here?
I don't mind.
Okay. I just gotta feel this. Here's the joint.
Mm-hmm.
This is the part that I'm going to adjust in a little bit.
Yep.
This can actually move.
Yes. Is that the SI?
Yes.
Yes, I had-
SI joint.
During COVID, I really hurt it. I couldn't sit down. I couldn't get up. It was
Is
really
that
bad.
why that feels like that?
Yeah, it was really bad.
It's a little crunchy over here.
Mhm.
I'm like, what happened?
I don't know.
I
Just one
see.
day, it just I
Gave
couldn't.
out?
Yep.
Yeah, it's like,
Mm-hmm.
it's a little scarred. You know, there's like little crunchy, crispy tissue in there.
Actually, remember that I broke my coccyx a long time ago.
Oh God! I told you, you remember stuff as
I
we
know. Oh
go.
my God, I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. As long as it's a long time
It was,
ago.
yeah, it was like 13.
You know, as long as it's healed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's mostly just the right here.
Mhm.
You know, it's just kind of like, we'll get it, okay? Take a deep breath in. Ooh. That's what you paid me for right there.
That's good.
Just for that one right there.
I think my neck cracked.
I know, it was like. Here's another one, okay? Deep breath in. Okay, and breathe again. Wow. Nothing pops because I already got it.
Mhm.
I'm just trying to open that. There we go. Good. Done. For now. I don't think I can grab anything here. Try and there we go. Okay. Stop me at any moment, okay?
Mhm.
Breathe. Mm. It's just tight. Right. Okay. I gotta go into that hip. Okay.
Okay.
No, stop me. This one tends to be more tender. So
Oh,
let
you
me-
can take it. It doesn't hurt.
it's
fine.
okay. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Most people are
You can beat me up.
Kicking and screaming at this part, okay? Well, you're pretty tough.
Yeah.
If you're already like, I don't feel it.
Yeah.
I mean, you feel it, but it
Yeah.
doesn't feel hard.
It's fine.
You know, it's
Yeah.
okay.
It's like a good pain.
Okay. There we go. Now I'm getting somewhere. That's it. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go into here with my elbow, okay? This is kind of a weird move.
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm gonna get the roller out just a little bit. It's pretty deep in there if you can handle a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
My muscle wants to like work against you, but I know I have to like relax it.
Okay, yeah, you just tell me when it's too much, okay?
Okay.
Gotta get rid of that one. There we go, that's it. There it goes. Jeez. Go on. This is the tailbone one right there.
Mhm.
That's for the tailbone. Get down the leg. Got this one here. Oh, no, we still got it right there. No. Oh, there it goes. I know. Okay. Cross. Push. Okay, relax here. I'm gonna push. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. There it is. This is tailbone type stuff. Trying to get this part to open up right here. Oh, this side feels great. Just a little one right here. But not bad at all. This is the side that you're saying has all the pressure. Like, really? It's half of what's over here.
Could it be like compensating for the other
Maybe, yeah. Because see how smoother it is?
side? Yeah.
I mean, I can kind of come in here and let's see if I can get a little deeper, but a tiny bit right here. Like we were feeling earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Let me know if this goes down your leg, okay? This is a sensitive spot. Good. Ooh, calves are just calves.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Get some more cracks out of there. I'm just gonna pull the sock to like
Okay.
here. Let me see what's going on with the ankle. Yeah, you want me to work on that a little bit? Is this where it's hurting?
Yeah.
Right in there?
Yeah, where it's like, it doesn't hurt her anymore, it just like
Feels
weird.
odd.
Yeah.
Dang, it's into the foot. Oh, jeez, it went in again. Sorry, jeez.
Looking nice.
It just, huh. I'm gonna be in your shot, Linnea. Lots of water, okay? That's all I can tell you.
I'm a jug.
Take a deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Like, what else will move? So right there. Done on the other side. Good. And we're going to do the opposite. We're going to go up and over. And down. Good, good. Let's see what that did. Okay. Whew. Okay, now into the neck again. That's it. She's just got a lot of knots here. They're coming out though, you know. There's this side again. Any headaches at all?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah. Migraines.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, then let me make sure I get these then. I haven't found a robot to do this. Not yet, anyway. And even in the medical world, there's still a human behind the robot, you know?
Mm-hmm.
They're like, oh, the robot did. I'm like, yeah, there was a guy sitting right there. Sorry. Sometimes it's just hold on for dear life with the headaches, you know, but yeah. So the way that I usually tell people, if it is coming from the skull, you find the suture, like the cracks in the skull, and you try to flex them open. So like here's like the parietal one. You just kind of flex that. Here's the occipital one. Flex this one. Flex them open. They're fused, but you can still kind of flex them still. People are like, they closed a long time ago when she was a baby. You know, they'll say stuff like that in the comments, and I'm like, you can still pump fluid. And then there's just the sagittal one here. And that one you gotta, see I'm pulling it open. And then you come in here, the coronal one. Down, 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 pull that. But I'm not really feeling anything overly stuck. Feels pretty good. Can you kind of feel it? Like how the pressure changes in the skull?
Yeah.
Because it's filled with fluid, cerebral spinal fluid. And you can pump that. It's in an egg. You know, the skull's like an egg. It's like, it's contained. So any kind of pressure that you put on it will change it. And you want that to beat and pump. And it has its own little circulatory system. And sometimes it just feels good to get... It's the only way we can access it from the outside. Like that. You're not, it's like an indirect. It's not directly.
No brain surgery.
No. Some people, though, they believe that if you just place the hands here, you know, that you can feel it. I've never been able to do that. Ooh, I got some ribs out here, huh? Does it hurt? You okay?
No, it's like a scraping, but it
Yeah. As long as we're not hurting you.
Oh, no.
Oh, you're bruising down into here. Let's take a picture of it for her. We're gonna sit her up. You bruised quite a bit.
Yeah.
Here, turn around this way, like, yeah, facing this way.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can zoom in or whatever. Yeah, it's in your neck. I mean, your ribs.
Wow.
I know. Oh, now this all goes away.
Yeah.
It's not permanent.
I was telling your brother I've done it to my neck by mistake before. I was sick one day and I was doing gua sha on my face and my neck like became so red.
Yeah, no, everything feels good though now.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, let me kind of come up in here and around. There's all of these, you know, it's endless. It just, you can keep working on them. Face. Forever and always. Now, One thing that you might not be able to get you done yourself is the ears. I'll do those.
Okay.
All right, lean away from me. That's all it is. I might not be able to do the other ear. Lean away. A little bit.
Yeah.
How's it feeling?
Really loose.
Like
nice.
loose?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do the pelvis.
Okay.
And finish up with like the cracks and stuff like that. Elbow back and towards mine. So you're gonna hook onto your waist, like leave the hand there, sit up as straight as you can, and then just your elbow into mine. Yeah. You got it. Lean away. Woo. Nice. Elbow back. Perfect. I know, it's one that you gotta do to yourself. It's like, am I really gonna do this to myself? Yes, I am. No. I got you, you're not gonna fall. It's not very far anyway. But you're not gonna fall. I got you. There's one. That's all. There it is. All right, other side for me. There's part of it. I'm gonna get a little more. Oh, yeah, on your back. Are you all right?
Yeah.
That was a big one.
That was good.
Good. And then squeeze my hands. There's, squeeze. One. Nope, nothing there. Feels great. Wow, jeez. I'm trying. It would be right here if there was anything left. Right here? Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, that was the side that I didn't quite get all the way. So good. That's good. Go a little more. All right. So what we're going to do now is stretch. And then all the way back. Kind of center it if it's not.
Yeah.
Bend your knees. And then arms up and over. Just kind of keep them there. Now, if it's pulling on the shoulders, you can bring them down a little bit. Oh.
Yeah.
It's like, ooh. Imagine being a chiropractor and living in your own body.
And knowing